Let's go to Foot Yang Ming Stomach Meridian. Let's discuss Stomach 8 Head Tide. Foot Yang Ming Stomach Meridian. You can locate Stomach 8 half soon within the ideal hairline at the corner of the forehead, 4.5 soon lateral to the midline. Stomach 8, head tide, head support, head corner, skull safeguard. Yang Wei Mai, and stomach meridians. A good point to select for the mind and spirit when the person is stuck in overprocessing, agitation, confusion, and consequent despair. The crossing with the gallbladder, with its powers of new beginnings, dealing only with what is pure, and its ability to forge a path through obstruction, all reinforced by the gathering yang qualities of Yang Wei Mai, helps clear yang ascend to the head and break through the mental stodginess of the stomach when it is exhausted itself by overthinking. The local point for headaches of dizziness, muzziness, heavy head from damp and phlegm retained in the head, preventing clear yang rising upwards to brighten the orifices. For headaches arising from digestive disorders or wind invasion, headaches with blurred vision from the deficient qi and blood, it can also be used to treat eye problems, excessive lacrimation from wind invasion, eyelid tic. The indications are mental stuckness, headaches, and eye problems. The location. You can locate at the temporal corner of the forehead, on the border of the temporalis muscle, and 5 kun within the anterior hairline, or 4.5 kun lateral to the anterior midline, due 24. To find the anterior hairline, as you can see in the figure, then locate stomach 8 at the temporal corner of the forehead, 0.5 kun within the hairline. Chewing movements of the temporalis muscle will still be palpable here. Also located 0.5 kun superior to the anterior hairline are due 24, bladder 3, bladder 4, gallbladder 15, and gallbladder 13. Anterior midline or superior to the inner canthus of the eye, or 1.5 kun lateral to the anterior midline, or 3 kun lateral to the anterior midline. These distances refer to the distance between due 24 and stomach 8, or 4.5 kun. Stomach 8 and gallbladder 7, a depression on the level of the apex of the ear within the temporal hairline, mark the endpoints of a curved line on which stomach 8 and gallbladder 4 to 7 are located at regular intervals by dividing the line into 5 parts. For needling, 0.5 to 1 kun transversely, subcutaneously, or obliquely in the direction of the disorder. Moxibustion possible, contraindicated according to some classical texts. For actions or indications, eliminates wind from the head and eyes, benefits the eyes, alleviates the pains. With special features, meeting point with the Yang Wei Mai and the gallbladder channel. Important local point for headaches and disorders of the eyes. Crossing point, stomach, gallbladder, and Yang Wei Mai, the linking vessel. Consider when a patient is caught up in overprocessing, overthinking, mental turmoil, or where the head feels as though it is tied up in knots. From stomach 8, there is a deep pathway to due 24. Thank you for your attention.